about to trade the Suron. I'll turn the light on for you guys. We're about to trade the Suron for a 2016 YZ250F. Me and Tommy are headed out to Bushnell to go pick it up. And I'll catch you guys when he gets here. Pulled up in the Project X van.
Pulled up in the toter home. Come on, man.
We're about to load up the Suron and head out to Bushnell. Tommy said do a vlog, so we're vlogging it. We're vlogging it. Oh, a single tear. A single tear. Oh shit, it's facing me. I'm dumb. We got 11 minutes of can't see a fuck thing, but hey, we'll do this in post editing. I'll brighten it up a little bit. We got the Suron in the back that you guys can't see. I have to turn the light on. We got the Suron in the back. We got that boy Tommy driving, whipping the Suze, the Honda Odyssey. We're at somewhere, but waiting on Buddy now, so we shall see when he arrives what the verdict is. We are definitely here. In front of the ATM camera, buddy. Downtown Bushnell.
I think that's City Hall right there. I don't know.
Last video on the Ron, dog? Suron for the YZ? I think yes. What's up, brother man?
How's it going?
All good. Jesse?
Yeah.
Trey.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, brother.
Pleasure. Pleasure, pleasure.
This is it.
How's it going?
I think that'll
Hey,
fit.
Trey. Yeah.
Huh?
Fit?
No, I think that'll fit.
Yeah.
Remember when the mechanic put his in his van?
Mm-hmm.
I think you're alright with that.
Wanna check it out?
Yes.
I got 2 keys for it. One is bent from when my brother looped that bitch. The other key, they both work just fine. The one thing I will say, other than the seat cover, is it needs a pin.
Gotcha.
But it's not affecting anything. It still goes up and down just fine.
Pin?
Like a pin for, yeah. I mean, it stays on. It has one in it. It doesn't affect anything. Other than that.
Nice. And you said something about the belt. What's wrong with that?
No, it has there's nothing wrong with the belt. So I just replaced this. So what this does is, instead of you having the rubber belt, you have a chain.
Oh, gotcha.
So you just replace the sprocket in the front, and then this sprocket right here, you can put the chain on. So this is gonna last infinitely longer than the rubber belt. When I first got it, it was stripped.
Gotcha.
So I had to replace the belt.
So it's belt now?
Yep.
And you can swap it to
Yep,
chain?
yep.
Oh, that's cool.
Yep. It goes about 54, I believe.
Huh.
I've had some fun on this fucker. You got spare rear brake. It does need pads. These are Magura's M200s. Right now I got Shimano MT200s on there. They should be good. Those are fresh as well. Just bought those. Put those on.
You said it does need pads though?
No. The old one.
Gotcha.
The old one needs pads. These are brand new. I literally just took the bike apart, painted it, put it back together so everything's as it should be. When I got it, it was clapped. But nothing wrong with the motor, nothing wrong with the battery. Tires are good. I actually just installed a new rear tube, heavy duty tube.
Nice.
Other than the belt, that was one of the first things to go out on me. Chains clean.
You got a YouTube channel?
Yeah. Yeah.
Nice. How many subscribers you got?
Not too many.
No?
Like 200. Nothing crazy.
Nice. You want to check this thing out now?
Yeah. It's a 15, right?
Yeah.
Which is sick.
So, Pro Taper, there's a lot of cosmetic after market stuff. There's nothing done to the motor or anything. I've got a aftermarket exhaust cap on here. Because the guy before me took the baffle out and I threw a spark respirator in that.
Okay.
And then this is a tiny bit messed up, but it's like $80 off Motorsport. And I've got, so the chain tensioners right here on, yeah, this side, see how it's stripped out?
Yeah.
So I've got new ones in the truck.
Okay.
Just got to toss those on. But yeah, it runs fine and everything.
You guys just rebuilt the motor?
We rebuilt the whole freaking, well, basically rebuilt the whole thing.
Okay.
Yeah, I've only rode it for about 10 hours.
Okay.
I've got a receipt from Race Tech on sending the head out, and then I've got the valves, the piston, I've got all that. I can show you that I ordered it off of Motorsport, but then the guy that we had do it, he bought the bottom end.
Okay.
We did it once, rebuilt the top end. It kind of worked out in our favor. We rebuilt the top end, and there's a little ring that popped, that like, it's a spring, it's a compression spring like this. So it popped out, the rod popped out
on the piston?
side of the piston, and it started wearing the head. So it was his fault as the mechanic. So he sent the head back. Well, all the pieces and everything fell on the bottom and got into the gears. So he's like, we had to replace all the gears and everything. So the mechanic paid for
not the gears, the bottom end.
Bottom end?
Bearing, sorry. So the mechanic turned around and he's like, hey, my fault, we did it. So we turned around and got the bottom end replaced too.
Okay.
So, and it freaking, crank it up, Russell.
I don't.
I would. Too long though. You guys familiar with stereo?
No, that's my first time out here. It should be cool over here.
Let's
though.
take it off because I can't figure out what gear I'm in.
How you feeling? Feeling good? Feeling great? Feeling great? Feeling good? How are you? The surround in the trailer looks crazy, bro. Hey, this looks just as crazy though. This is ridiculous. We got the surround in the trailer and a YZ in the van. Oh. So no, this is actually the aftermarket, but the aftermarket, I really didn't like it because it was softer. Okay. So I went ahead and threw the stock one in, but this in here's aftermarket, and then these are the stocks. Okay. Whoa. That one's rated for higher, but it feels a lot less. It's like a Chinese spring. Yeah. Okay. You got everything? Yeah. We got everything out of the truck. Alright. We got the YZ in the van. We got a deal made. Deal. We got the surround in the trailer. And tell everybody your name. Wesley. Wesley? Do you have a YouTube or anything? Nah. No? Instagram?
No, not really.
No? Alright, shit. We got incognito over here. But yeah, thank you again, Jesse.
Yeah,
I appreciate you guys.
Yeah, good
luck.
luck.
Nice meeting you, brother.
Drive safe.
I appreciate you guys making the drive out here.
Yeah, absolutely.
Again, get home safe.
Yeah, thanks,
Thank
guys.
you. Enjoy that. Enjoy that and be safe.
Drive. Yeah, you too.
Yes, sir.
Awesome. Thank you, man.
Yes, sir.
Yep. All right.
Y'all have a great night.
You too. Thanks, guys.
Mission accomplished.
Mission definitely accomplished. Well, now we got an hour to drive back and pray this bitch doesn't. And pray this bitch doesn't fly out of the back, or somebody hits us. Please, God, stop.
That on video, okay?
No,
No,
we don't.
I just mean the joke.
No. No. I'm gonna put all this shit in the front. Bro gave me like $600 worth of fucking parts. Happy place.
Love it.
Bye, Lightning. I'm gonna miss you. But I don't even know what this one's name is yet. The Title 2? The Title 2? The Title 2 is crazy! Oh! We're in there. I kind of wanted to pop it up, but I was like, nah, let me not. Yo, you ready to take it back out and rip it? Fuck no, let's get this bitch home. I gotta call my girl before we leave. She's gonna be like, what the fuck? I'm like, hell yeah. Like, hell yeah. But I will update you guys when we get home. Me and Tommy are on the way back to Tampa. Hey, we got a 2015 YZ250F, and I'm fucking...
What I envisioned.
Bro, they put the Suron in the trailer, and we put the fucking YZ in a van. Who does this? Oh, now we just gotta get home. Oh! Let's get the fuck out of here, bro. I-275 with the YZ250? Absolutely bonkers, dog. I'm in the back of this bitch praying. We're on the highway with it. We're on the highway with it. Oh, yeah. 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 We back. With the YZ250F, dog. What the fuck? Ridiculous, dog. Neighbors are cool.
It's pretty wild. I mean, I guess we have more than 5 seconds left on the video if it's still recording. Here it comes.
Oh, this bitch just popped up in 4th gear, dog. 4th gear, this bitch just popped up. Oh. Bro. Yo. So we got a mission accomplished. And the fucking Yamaha. The Yamaha fucks, dog.